What is going on? We're back playing some more ARK Survival Evolved. We're freaking Taming sheet. Do I have my game up? No, I don't have my game up. Okay. We're Taming sheet. We're gonna exactly where we left off before. We're gonna make these saddles real quick. We're gonna get some wood and sheet. Give me your oil, you freaking nerd. Thanks. Alright, so we're gonna take these dudes out for a ride. If I can find my raptor out of this. He's probably up here because he's. Where the fuck is my raptor? Did he dip? Where'd he go? Oh, don't tell me I actually lost him. Oh, he's right there. Okay. God. Oh, there's no way in frick I'm getting out of this. Oh, maybe. Wait a frick, dudes. I need you guys to move. Oh, now I'm stuck. Alright, boys and girls. Oh boy. Okay. God, if only I had a grappling hook right now. Oh, shit. No way I can get out here. Like, there's no way at all. Can get out of here. There's no way at all. Oh, there's no way at all. Come on. One more jump to the. Yes, I knew that would get me out. Okay. I need you. I need you. And I need you and you. Actually, you know what? I want a motherfucking train. Look at him. Tell me that does not look cool. Like, what the fuck, mate? That looks amazing. I want a freaking train up in this beach. So here's what we gonna do. You guys gonna try here for a second? Oh, I need wood. I forgot. Duh. What am I doing? Stupid. Alright. I need some wood. This looks hideous, dude. Alright. I think it's 30 per saddle. Alright, I think that should work. Let's look up M-O-R-E. I need hide. So 36, yeah, that'll definitely work. I'm pretty sure you got hide, not enough though. So, since I'm too lazy to go back, let's just let you kill something real quick. Like this dude. Sorry, dude. Wow, he gave me enough hide. Thanks. Sorry. Oh, wait, what? Oh, you have, oh, I was about to say, like, what? Oh, I can only craft two? What am I missing? 30, 60, 90, 120. Oh, it takes 140. I didn't even notice how much of the freaking. Oh, God. Those, I don't think the beetle dudes give me sheep. I know that Dio would, though. Oh, that was his Dio. What's up, my homie? How you doing, man? 70? Guess what, motherfucker? You better have the fight of your life! Oh god. Oh god. Oh, okay. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, let's just let them fight. I F them up, dude. One of them is probably bound to die, actually. I don't know. They have good knockback. They might. I might just do it. They did it. Nice job, sirs. Nice job. Technically didn't kill him, but you got him close enough. Kind of. Not really. Sir, can you die, please? Could tame me if I wanted to, but I honestly, I only need one. Actually, I might want one. Oh, shit. Don't go out of the cage, please. Oh, thank you. Just appear out of nowhere. You gave me crap for hide. Dang it. I'm too lazy to go back and get more. How much more do I need? Oh my god. Oh, alright. Wait, isn't there 4? Oh, he's back there. Hey, dude. Here you go. Welcome. Here's a level up. Yep, good. Good happy. Yep. Hey, dude. How you doing? Here's a level. We love some levels up. I need one more. Hey, dude. Oh, what? I thought you had level. Alright, we're hooking everybody up with saddles. I should kill you. I'm too lazy. Alright, it looks like that metal respawn too. We're gonna get some of it. I want you guys to show right there for a second. God, you look so coolio. Coolio, mulio. I think I have hide in here. I should probably hold some of this on me. Yeah, I have 400. I'm gonna go ahead and hold it on me. Alright, last one for this dude. Who doesn't have a saddle? Hello. Hello. It's me. Oh shit. How you doing, sir? Take some hind. You all come. Yes, take some hind. I know you want it, so just take it. Yeah. What the frick am I singing? Alrighty. It's time to go tame, boys. Or should I make some trinket arrows? I have 170. Or should I make this thing over here? Is it really worth it? It's really good for high level tames. Screw it, I'm crafting it. Oh, it's probably not a good idea. No, I kind of regret it. God damn it. Alright, let's put this bad boy and this bad boy in here. Oh, are you still crafting? Probably. You're definitely still crafting. I'm gonna friggin' put more in you. Yep. Shite. I don't want to make another one, but I'm gonna have to. I never have. Have you noticed I never have the material for stuff? Like, I always have to get at least one item, and it's like, really, dudes? Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me? Alright, so it looks like we're gonna need like separate pestles for each thing, cause eesh. Oh, I need spark powder. Oh, guess what? Here you go. There you go. Thanks. I need to get some wood to get these things popping again. You know what? I already know I'm gonna need stone. Let's go ahead and make another one. Oh wow, I was right. Let's get some clay going on here. Let's just go for the levels, you know. Okay, don't tell me. I think I know. I think it's sand. I frickin' there's no way in crap. Okay, let's just take it one by one. Well. So sand, and I had the cheat. What else do I need? Cactus. Oh yeah, I was about to get stone, to be honest. Oh boy, that's gonna be like 2K right there, I think. Yep. Gosh, there's so many. Holy smokes, we just have like a party of stuff making right now. Like, good lord. Awesome. It's awesome. Okay, I have 2 of these in here. And then I think I have some in here. No, that's spears. Don't I have... Yeah, 35 in here. Oh god, and then let's make more. Thatch and flint. Boom and boom. Oh crap. Boom and boom. Okay, do I really... Okay. You know what? Let's go 100. Sorry, I'm not gonna cut this out. Let's go 100 because I want to talk after it. Let's go 100, and after 180 is used, so pretty much after all of my tranks are used, I'm gonna start using those darts. I think I'm ready to use them. It literally just makes a better team. I can probably get like a 100% team instead of like a 96. What happened here? We died here. I can drink. I was about to say, fill water tank from inventory. I can flat out just give him my stuff. No. Screw you. How did he die? Was that one of mine? I'm spooked. Oh, it's already done? I thought it was gonna take way much longer than that. 137. So that's like what? That's 200 tranks. Oh my god, that's a lot. Let's take you out, and then let's back you in there. Put you back. And then let's put you in there. Alright, how you doing? Making all the clays. Oh, it's double. It's interception and stuff. Oh my lord. Dude, honestly, whatever I need spark powder for, I got it. Like, I'm making so much. I have so many resources right now. Like, just look in here. Like, look at that. 4 stacks of stones, clay. I can just make, sand. I can just... Oh, I can make so much stuff. This is fantastic. It's a little bit OP. Not gonna lie. But, you know, for the good of great. No. Let's go out with Raptor. So FO you guys, while my ears are absolutely ripped right now. Come on, let's go. You're probably gonna knock me with a hold any of this, so I need to probably kill something really, really fast and level your weight up, because you're probably knocking me with a hold. All these strengths. I mean, you know, you're probably gonna hold, sorry, but not fast. Kinda salty that the other dude died. So let's just go on a killing spree. Kill this big beach right here. Probably gonna have to bank a lot because I'm gonna be getting stuff. What level are you? You're probably a low level. Yes, you are. Don't run from me. Don't run from me. Oh, I already got a level up. So I kind of know where to go for the stuff and ting. But I kind of just want to kill stuff right now. God, can you stop, please? Oh, thanks. I was actually expecting it to stop. All right, what's going on over here, boys? Oh, what's up, dude? How you doing? What level are you? 64. I'm gonna kill the big dudes. Big dudes are a lot of fun. I don't know why. Probably because they're like humongous. What's up, man? How you doing, man? Motherfucker. Alright, I'm about to get absolutely ambushed right now. Are you ready for this? It's probably like gonna be like 4 pop out of nowhere. Oh, here he comes. Oh, there he comes. Come on, I can 2v1. I got this. Yup, uh-huh. As soon as I kill one of you guys is gonna dip. Calling it. Yep, Come here. Let me bite your booty. Let me bite your booty. Yes. What is booty? Noob. I don't want to kill you. I don't want to kill you. I want like easy kills. You're not an easy kill because you go too fast. This dude's about to die. Should I? Oh, should I get it? What's that? Oh, hi, dude. That's what. Bye. That was kind of rude, not gonna lie. The bugs got him down that low? Freaking stupid little freaking bugs. Screw you, bugs. Screw you. Screw you. Thanks for your crap. I don't know if I can tame one of these. I think I can't. I'm pretty sure there's a terrorbird over there. It's 2. Whoa, that one's like black. Or like brown or gray, whatever. That looks awesome. Are you 12? Can I tame you? Yeet. No, I don't want you to kill it. No, chill. I don't want you to kill him, dude. I want to tame him. Chase him. Oh, it's another one. No. I just want to tame you. No, please. I just want to tame you. I need something flying in my life. Fuck. I just want something flying in my life. Please. Wait, where's the other one? All I want is something flying in my life. Why can't you fulfill that? Fulfill. I don't want to mess with you. You're scary. Blah. What's going on here? Oh, is it the same one? No, it's not. Can I get him? Can I get him? I don't. Please. That was so good. How did I not hit him? Piece of shit. How do I have to go more lower? Oh, I hit him! Come on, go down. Please. No. No. I don't think they're tameable. Someone. Nice, since I'm up on this hill. I just want to fly. Alright, since I'm up on this hill, let's freaking tame some stuff. I was about to say, if I hit him first try. God, I missed it again. I want to try and get one of these guys over here. Freaking trees in there, I can't see. Oh, I can get this bird. Got him, no doubt. Oh! Oh god, I got excited. Oh god, I got too excited. I didn't know it actually hit him. I got way too hype. Okay, hopefully he'll be coming over here. And hopefully he can't get up here. I'm actually kind of scared he can get up here now. I have meat on me. Yeah, okay. And I got narcotics on me too. Wait, I have narcotics on me? 138? I mean, 38, but... Did he not want to come up here? Should I go down one level? Kind of scared to be honest. Alright, let's bring this. Bring him. Oh, hi there. Oh, how you doing? Stop, Maya! What level are you? 4. Rest in pieces. Alright, I don't want to F that dude. I'm gonna take this though. The frick is, oh, there's a saber right there. What are you? What the frick is this? There's an oil pump? Excuse me, sir? When the frick did this happen? I was not aware of there being an oil pump. And there's oil places? What the fuck? Okay, can you please let me on to one of these rocks? I don't think I have enough movement speed to outrun a frickin' saber tooth. Oh boy, oh my god. This is the place to tame, bros. Please tell me I can. What is it? Oh. Alright, boys. I don't want to get off and accidentally kill myself. Oh, not kill myself, sorry. Fall off. Oh, I don't want to get that. Dang it. Okay. What we got going on here? We got a freaking saber tooth. Oh, I think we got 2 sabers and a freaking terror bird. Let's see if we can get one of these dudes down. And then we got a raptor over there. Let's see. Let's see what we got going on. Hopefully this dude cannot get up here. They cannot. Fantastic. Ooh, I think this guy's a high level. God, I wish I had a spyglass. Yep, he's about to go down. Got him, dude. Got him. He's down. He's down. Come on, go down. Come on. I don't want. Oh, come on. Okay, at least you're stuck. Got him. Alright. I'm not gonna check the teams until I get all these guys. Crap. This guy's low. I'm gonna have to get him down though. I go to him. Got one of them. Crap. Ooh, this guy's high. No, he's not. This guy's high. No, he's not. Oh yeah, this guy's a high level, dude. This guy's a high level. The frick was that? Come on, where'd he go? Oh, don't let me lose his tame. Come on. Where's he at? There he is. There he is. Oh yeah, this dude's high, dude. This dude's a high level. Come on. Oh, this guy is probably 100. I'm calling it right now. crap, no. Should I go? I'm going after him. 8. Dang it. 44. Dang, okay. Oh god, they're about to wake up. I'm gonna go ahead and take the 8. Why not? I'll take it. If I can find him. Here he is. Oh, let me check this dude too. Oh god, 12. It's Thames. It's Thames. Not gonna really complain. No, I really want to go find the other dude. If I can find him, that'd be fantastic. He's probably not. He probably got stuck on a rock, to be honest. God, there's so many hostile things here. Should I even chance it by going over there? The raptor's chilling right there. Should I try and get him too? I mean, screw it. He's right there. Might as well, right? Oh, we're just getting tame after tame right now, dude. What's up, my dude? You want to get tame off hunger? How you doing, my bro? How you doing, my bro? My bro. Oh, my bad, dude. Freaking gnarred him in the face. Oh, that dude's low. He's a definite low level. I don't know if there's any point of even trying another chank on him. I will get that terror bird though. We're just getting tames, bro. Like, I don't give a shit. Actually, I might not be able to hit him from here. I like this rock. Yeah, there are so many freaking... I need a gun. Like, I should probably just, like, get a gun. Maybe even, like, a pistol. Something to aggro them, you know? Or something. Maybe I can, like, bait him with one of these dudes. How freaking messed up would that be? Oh my god, that'd be so messed up. Oh, come on, get him. Crap. Got him. Oh, I moved. Oh, as soon as I shot. Dang it. These guys are probably going to wake up, to be honest. If they do, I'm just going to freaking knock them out again. Is that raptor still running? Is that him right there? I think that is him. Oh, come on. That has to hit. Oh, come on, man. Oh, that's such booty. That's the same raptor, right? It is. I think it is. I'm liking this hill. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? Hopefully, gosh, I'm really salty that I lost that wolf, because he was a high level. Like, he was good. Wait, didn't I get rid of one? I missed that? Oh my god, stop moving. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I swear, they like know when I'm about to shoot. Oh. Thank you. Gosh. Why you gotta be so rude? Oh, well, how did that miss? Stop, dude. And I'm bloody yet, so you're above a level 8. I should probably get darts ASAP. Oh crap, it's about to go down. Nice spot to get down. Nice spot. Hopefully... I'm not gonna name him right now. Oh, he's on level 44. Dang it. Alright. This dude's just flat out booty, but I'm gonna take care of you, bro. I got you. Yeah, I got you, bro. Wolf. A Dolph. Yeah, I totally meant to put Dolph. What's up, man? How you doing? Welcome to the team. Welcome to the team. Alright. What's this guy doing? Oh. Wait, was that the guy who got down over here? I think it was. I put a guy down over here. Did he dip? Fucking dip. That raptor's chilling still. Oh, now I can't get these guys. Oh, son of a bitch. I think that's the same saber. Or, sorry, the same terror bird that I got down over there. I'm pretty sure it is. I don't really know how to tell. Yeah, their torp is really not that bad. I really want to get out of here though. Can I have you guys like chill here for a second? I want to go clear out the area over here. Then I don't want to get like owned. And I don't want to kill a high level. Like I'm gonna feel like crap if I do. I could just get up another freaking thing. Is that a freaking snake? Oh god, that was a snake. I got freaked out. Alright, let's see if I can get up on top of here. No. Get the freaking stupid bug. Frick out of here. Oh, I killed no one. Ow, it was gonna hit my booty. Oh, you're gonna get me now, you little freaking nubs. Stupid spy motherfucker. Oh shit, how is he not getting aggroed right now? Oh, that was a beautiful hit. Absolutely beautiful. Peek your head out for me. Pick your little motherfucking head out, bitch. Ooh, this guy has to be like level 50. My thing is about to break. This is the last team I can get probably. Ooh, this guy's. Oh. What's up, bro? I can't get you. Yeah, I can't get you. So, you know what that calls for? You're gonna die. Come here. Come here. Where'd you go? This freaking bug's out of here. Where'd he go? Hi, I want to kill you. Oh, this guy's level 60. Now you want to fight? Good game, my friend. Alright. Come on. Oh my god. 36. Arrgh. Okay, we're good. We're good. Can you tame a snake? What the absolute crap is that? That is a freaking deal. Okay. Oh, I need to start taming you. What the frick am I doing? That motherfucking raptor. Oh my god. I can't get any more tames, so I'm just gonna have to kill him from now on. Ow, ow, ow. That damn freaking stupid drone. Alright, where's that raptor at? I don't want you guys to F him up. Where are you at? Alright, come on. I want to fight you. Oh yeah, freaking raptor. Little beach. What the fuck? Where'd he go? Hello? Right. He was just over here. Hey, how you doing? How's life? Mate, he was just over here. Where the oh, I got, oh, I forgot you can get pelt from those dudes. I need to start killing them more because I need pelt. I forget for exactly what, but I know I need pelt. Where the fuck did this fucking raptor go? Oh, how is this team doing, by the way? I want to know what happened to that other dude I just tamed. I'm wondering if this is the same terror. Definitely the same one. Definitely, because I haven't fed him that fast. Yeah. This is definitely the same raptor. I mean, the same dude. Oh my, I did not notice their torp goes down that fast. Holy crap. Okay, now I know. So, we got a wolf, a dire wolf, oh no, a wolf, a saber, and a freaking terror bird. They're not high levels. Like, they're actually really, really bad, but you know, they're still tames. Crap. But you know, hey, I can still, you know, level them up and crap. They can still get levels. I'll probably let them chill next to the base. I think they'll gain levels from me. Are you still going up? You are. I think they're gonna gain levels from me. Oh wait, what's your percentage actually? 98. They're gonna gain levels from me like making stuff because I'm gonna be making a lot more stuff. Yep. Oh my gosh, you're about to wake up too. Oh, something's getting hurt. What's going on? I'm hearing shit. What's going on, dudes? Can I harvest these? Oh, it's poop. Is there any real point of this? Is it just for looks? Look at this. I wanna know where that freaking raptor went, man. I don't want him to kill my wolf that just got my freaking saber and my terror. Honestly, I kinda don't know how to get back to my house. And I kinda don't know, I think that way. I hope. I honestly really don't know. Yeah, my mic is actually really freaking loud. Kinda scaring me. I don't really want it that loud. Should I like have it not so close to me? I mean, it's not like it's my usual spot. Oh, there he is. Now I see him. Should I go after him or should I just chill? Okay, you're still going. I've used so many freaking narcotics and stuff. Mother bookers. He freaking woke up. Gosh, dang it, man. Oh, dang it. I thought I fed him enough. Dang it. Crap. I guess not. Dang, okay. Alright, well, let's get these dudes to team up on this guy. Oh, who? Nothing here. Werewolf? Thanks. Alright, you guys ready? Oh, where's my... Oh. Go. Come mess up this motherfucker. Saw, dude. I don't know what level you are. I'm actually really curious. Hey. Hey. Hi. Hey. Over here. Hi. Hey. Hey. Hi. Right here. You son of a... Still 16. Oh, rest in peace. Let me get a bite. I see how it is. Oh, there's a corner right there. Oh, hey. What's up, bro? Just get freaking wrecked with my dudes. Yeah, don't mess around, dude. Oh, he's about to die. Oh, he died. Oh, no, we're good. Okay, we're good. He's about to die, though. He's actually really close. Should probably make him eat. Dude, their stuff goes down so fast. Like, that's actually kind of scary. And I'm next to a Carno, man. Should I try and get a Carno? Oh my god. I haven't had a Carno in so long. Dude, they wake up so fast. You know what? Screw it. I'm using the rest of 11 on you. I don't want you to wake up. Why do you wake up so fast? I don't really care about any of this. Just drop boxes on you, make you feel better. Yeah, why do you freaking wake up so fast? Yeah, I really want to go for that. What is this? Is this for the bone? Oh, wait. Salt? Wait, what? Wait, I should probably use this. Oh, okay. Mix it with sulfur to obtain preserving salt. Okay, what is preserving salt for? Because I've seen that a lot. Are you salt too? No. You're part of a thing. Yeah, I've seen preserving salt. I don't know what exactly it's used for. Okay, you shouldn't wake up. Is your torp going up? Yes, it is. You're good. I've never seen an oil pump before. What? Someone's dying. Someone's dying. Someone's dying. Can't hear him. Someone's getting hurt. What's going on? Keep thinking it's something over there. We good? I guess so. Okay, we're over our recording time. We gotta get this tamed though. Sarco, Pterodon, Tree Sap, Fabricated. Oh, I need to get a Fabricator. Mammoth. Alright, what the frick is this? Silent attachment, fertilizer. Oh my god, they have a friggin' mirror. Cannon. Oh, there's those little. Oh shit. Chainsaw. The fastest way to cut a tree. You frickin' what? Wind turbine converts the force of the wind into electric. Excuse me. Saber-tooth. Oh, Saber-tooth's down here? What the crap are you? Sapjara? What the fuck? What is this? Oh, I can get the grappling hook. What are these dinos? I know what this one is. Camera. Equipped. Target and take a shot. Camera. Wait, why would I want to take a shot? I kind of want to though. And look at how much stuff I still have to do. Yeah, I got him. Alright. Terror. Terror, yay. Let's get the grappling hook. And then let's get the reusable one. Wait, now we got the reusable going. Alright. So we got 56. Okay, we're good. Let's go back to the house. To the house. You guys are definitely fast enough. I don't have to worry about you guys. Now, you guys want to have some fun? Go get him. What? Go. Hello? Go get him. Oh god. Oh, Jesus. Oh my. Dude. Okay. Can you get off of me? Can you get off of me? Can you get off of me? Oh, you son of a. Thanks. Let's go. I really hope it's this way. I'm pretty sure it is. See, this is why I need like a beacon thing or something. Cause I get a lot. Yeah, it is right there. All right. Not that bad of a run. We got something. I mean, at least something, right? Alright. Why can't I target? Oh, I can. There we go. Get him. Yeah. Oh, my saber didn't have any fun. Come on, dude. Yeah. I think sabers can like somewhat fly, which is actually really dope. I want you guys to. I want you guys to have some fun. Like, I want you guys to just flat out kill something without me helping. You're honestly probably gonna die. There's a couple dudes over there. So here's what I'm gonna do, alright? I want you guys to kill him. And then I'm gonna go take care of this guy. So when I come back, I better see you kill him. Alright, I better see you kill him. Hey. Hey, back off. We got him. Nice. Oh, you guys wanna help? Nice. Sweet, you guys are not that bad to get. Oh my god. Where'd he go? Alright, go harvest him. Go, boys. Go, boys. God damn it. This is Saber. What am I doing? Alright, you want to have some more fun? Kill this parasaur. He's ugly. Go kill him. Come on, go help him, boys. Yeah, chase him. Get him, boys. Get him. Fight his booty. Oh my god. Alright, do I want to have you guys kill one of the... Nah. I don't want to take a chance. Oh, that's fun. That's fun. If I kill you, do I still get oil? No, jeez, can I have some too? God damn, you freaking stingy motherfucker. Alright, come on. Come on, you're not stuck. I'm missing one. Where the fuck's the one at? He's behind. I guarantee he's behind this rock. Yeah, I freaking knew it. God damn it. Come on, dude. Yeah, there you go. Alright, let's go. Oh, hey boys, you guys want another target? Right, give me a second. I want to level you guys up before I send you guys out. Right, you guys want another target, boys? You guys have phone? 1,000. Boom. Oh god, you're... Yup. Yup. Alright. I want you guys to get your health, the ups. Actually, nah, you guys are savages. I can go kill this motherfucker. Where are you at? I'll help you this time, you know. I'll be that one dude to help. You guys ready? You guys ready? Okay, better this time. Go get him! Are you freaking serious? Are you serious right now? Come on, dudes. See, look. Terror Bird wants some of it. I can't target him. Whatever. Hey! You're walking so slow. Come on. I know there's a storm coming. Shut your mouth. Alright, we can end right here. Come on, dudes. Eeh. Alright, now we're freaking popping in dinos. This is what I'm talking about. Bring it the. Come on, dude. Come on, there you go. Bringing 3 more dinos to the club. What's up, dudes? This is new freaking Bob, Joe, and Tommy up in this beach. Welcome them, you know. Welcome them to the club. Can you guys stop hogging everything? God damn. Alright, welcome to them to the club. Got to spam so much. Welcome. Hey, you guys. How you guys doing? Welcome to all new members of the club. Oh gosh, how am I gonna know which one has the stuff on them? I think it's you. Yes, I was right. You're almost at 1,000. 1,000. Alrighty. I don't know what the frick this salt does, but you know, taking it. Take all this stuff. They use quite a bit of narcotics. But we are going to go ahead and I'm gonna do this backwards because I'm a pro. Oh god, maybe not. Okay, let's just fill it back up. We're gonna go ahead and end this episode here. If you guys have enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like button down below. Okay, do I have to invert it by going up to drink water? Did I do it? I did it, okay. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and end this episode here. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like button down below and I'll see you guys in the next video. You know, 2 videos of not building. Let's get back into building next episode. Finish up with some more stuff. Farm. Probably gonna do a whole episode of farming because we need some more wood and such. Because we got 4 dudes instead of 1 to hold the wood, so we can probably get enough to finish the whole thing. Because we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a lot. Getting ground is hot. God dang. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. Sorry for the long episode.